Hi, lovely people. Welcome once again to Abenasia's Recipes. I hope everyone is doing well by God's grace. Thank you for always coming back to watch my videos. If you have not subscribed yet, please kindly consider subscribing so you can be part of this family. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for your massive support and always sharing my videos on your various platforms. In today's video, I'm sharing with you a simple salad recipe. Green leaf lettuce with macaroni and a bit more other ingredients. Let's dive right into the ingredients. Thank you. So the main ingredient for this salad will be my green leaf lettuce, which I've already washed very well. It is important to thoroughly wash your vegetables before using it for any recipe. I've also prepped some of my ingredients here. So without wasting time, let's dive right into it, guys. We'll begin by mixing about 4 heaping tablespoons of mayonnaise, which should equal to about a cup of mayonnaise. And to that, I'll add a tablespoon of honey. You can use sugar if that is what you want. I'll add about a quarter teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of black pepper. I'll mix until everything is well combined, and then I'll set it on the side. In this bowl, I have elbow pasta or macaroni. I cooked 2 cups of macaroni pasta, rinsed it with water, and I refrigerated it before using it for this recipe. To that, I'll add sardine. This is a whole can of sardine and a little bit of the oil from the sardine. I'll add my canned tuna, and my secret ingredient in this macaroni salad is fresh garlic. I add the fresh garlic because of the sardine and the tuna, and it also takes the salad to a whole different level. I'll then add in my chopped onions, scallion, and bell peppers, and then I'll add in my mixed mayonnaise cream. This is a creamy pasta, okay? So you want this to be nice and creamy. So I've been making this salad for a couple of years now, for family gatherings and also for friends' party. It is a party-pleasing salad, I tell you. It is delicious, creamy, slightly sweet, and crunchy. I'll taste for salt and then I'll cover with a cling film and then keep it in the refrigerator until I'm ready to use it. Next, I'll cut my green leaf lettuce. I made sure to wash it very well, guys. And like I said, please make sure all your vegetables are thoroughly washed. And then I'll put the already cut salad in a bowl or my salad bowl. And I'm using 1 bunch of green leaf lettuce. You know I have a big family and this salad doesn't last whenever I make it. To begin the salad, I'll start with red onion. You can start with any vegetable of your choice. Next will be my shredded carrots, and then my celery, my bell peppers, and then cucumbers. I made sure to divide the vegetables because I'll be doing 2 layers of the salad. You can use any vegetable of choice. You're eating it, so you know what type of vegetables you like. It is now time to bring in the macaroni salad. So I will spread as much as I want. I didn't use the whole of the bowl. So I made sure to put enough because the kids love it. Oh my God. It is so delicious, especially my little daughter. She will eat the macaroni salad just as it is. Okay, so I made sure to put enough in the salad. And then I'm putting more of the onion on top of the macaroni, more of my shredded carrot, more of my celery, more of my peppers, and cucumbers. Okay, so make sure to divide your vegetables whenever you're making the salad so that you can do 2 layers of it. Next will be my Heinz baked beans. You can put as much as you want on your salad. My family loves a lot, so I made sure to put a lot of it. Okay, guys. So like I said, make this salad to how you want it. And then I'll slice some hard-boiled eggs onto the salad. Ghana salad with a twist. I'll be using this creamy poppy seed dressing. It is so delicious. It has a taste like the Ghanaian Heinz salad dressing. I'm not sure where you can find this, but we do have it here in America. You can find this in any of the stores, Walmart, Kroger, any of the supermarket. Just look for creamy poppy seed dressing. And it has this slightly sweetness to it that makes the salad taste so delicious. If you make the salad to any party, everyone is gonna love you. And kids also love this salad. I mean, I can speak for my children. They love this salad. And I'll be enjoying the salad with this delicious jollof rice and a piece of baked chicken. Guys, thank you so much for staying until this time. I hope you give this recipe a try, and if you do, please kindly leave me a feedback and let me know how it turned out. And I'll be enjoying my salad. There you see it, guys. I'll be enjoying my salad with jollof rice and chicken. All right. So delicious. My apron today is from Lydia and Cole Shop at Etsy. I'll make sure to leave a link to her shop in my description. Please kindly subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like and comment. You hit that post notification so anytime I upload a video, you'll be notified. Thank you. God bless you. And please stay safe. Bye, guys.